Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how to make a review. Let's check it out. Sometimes, when you want to recommend a movie, a game, or a song to your friends, you have to make a simple review about that movie, song, or game. When it happens, what do you have to do to make a review? To answer this question, now let's find out how to make a review from the following explanation. Here are the things that you have to include when you want to make a movie, game, or song review. First, you have to mention the name of the movie, game, or song that you are going to review. Second, you have to mention the genre of the movie, game, or the song that you are going to review. Third, you have to tell a short description of what the movie, game, or the song is about. Fourth, you have to tell the good points or the bad points about the movie, game, or the song. Lastly, you have to summarize or restate your overall opinion about the movie, game, or the song. Now, let's have a look at the example of a review in the next part. Haikyuu is the best anime that I have ever watched. It is a sports comedy anime which tells about the determination and struggle of its two main characters, Hinata Soyo and Kageyama Tobio, in order to make their high school volleyball team the best in Japan. The storyline of this anime is really exciting. It depicts clearly how the characters develop their ability and emotions throughout the story. This anime also has amazing and interesting characters. Each character in this anime is able to show how to have passion for something that they love and have a burning desire to excel in it. Overall, this anime is really great. I will definitely give 5-star rating for this anime. I will never get tired or bored of watching this anime for sure. So, that's all about making a review. Now, it's your turn to make a review about a movie, game, or song that you like. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.